We'll guide you through how to update CapCut on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your desktop and go to the CapCut website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Look for the Download or Update section on the homepage, usually found in the top menu or the footer. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can see the latest version available for download. Download the latest version by clicking the Download button. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the new version. This typically involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and selecting the installation location. If you have CapCut already installed, the new version should overwrite the old one, keeping all your projects intact. Once the installation is complete, open CapCut to ensure that it's running the latest version. You can usually check this by going to the Help or About section within the app, where it will display the version number. Keeping CapCut updated ensures you have access to the latest features and security improvements, so it's a good habit to check for updates regularly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.